Imagine you are a superhero. You have the power to give the right customers what is it they exactly want. They look up to you, and some of them even want to be like you, and as a result, they can't stop buying into you. I have the superpower to give you just that. But before that, let me ask you, what do you desire? %62% of businesses use videos in their business strategy. 90% of people discover new brands and products on videos. 37% of all internet mobile traffic is through videos. According to YouTube, viewers are 3 times more likely to watch something that is of personal interest to them rather than famous actors. Viewers are 1.6 times more likely to engage with content of personal interest to them rather than videos with high production value. Viewers are far more likely to view and engage with content that informs and inspires them rather than trying to advertise to them. Most savvy businesses know that having a video presence online is crucial for awareness and pre-selling before people even say yes to buying any of your products and services. However, there have been far too many noobs who spend copious amount of resources just getting a few videos done. They get a videographer, shoot a few videos, post sporadically, get no results, and then they give up. This is like you wanting a beach board. Wow, you're really passionate about it. You go out and get a really expensive treadmill, get a few weights, and then you work out just a few times within a week. You don't get your beach board, and then you decide, nah, this is not working for me. This is not for me. Just as having a beach board is not about how expensive your treadmill is, how many kind of weights that you buy and put at home, having a video presence is definitely not about just doing a few videos, and not even about that your videos look like blockbusters. What you truly desire is that people look up to you, they follow you, they share about you, what you do and what you believe in. People trust you, they follow your lead, and they buy into your ideas, and of course, your products and your services. Now, to do that, what you need to be is to be real, to be passionate, to be even emotional, and tell all of what you stand for through stories. You want to be generous in giving and sharing everything that you know that you are good at doing. You want to be clear on and give voice to the kind of impact that you want to make to the world through your business. This is about using your video presence to allow frequent and consistent communication with your audience, tribe, and followers. And this tribe will grow organically by themselves. So then, who you need is not just a videographer. You need an effective strategist in ongoing content video series production who can recreate and crystallize your intentions into actual actions. And that is what I do. I take what you truly desire as an outcome and I bridge it with what your audience truly wants to hear, and I craft and customize all that into an ongoing and powerful video message. See, I don't only strategize, but I also produce your content video series from concept to filming to final delivery. Share with me in the comments below, what is it you truly desire to share as a message to impact the world today? Also, reply and tag someone in the comments below if you know they're struggling with their video presence but have a powerful message to share with the world. I'll be glad to get in touch with them and see how I can help them in any way that I can. As always, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more useful content like this, and I'll see you in the next episode.